Built a room from silence, locked the door from in. No one taught me how to breathe beneath the static skin. I keep calling out, but my voice won't carry far. I keep reaching out into a room with no one there. I'm screaming in a language no one left can hear. I'm burning in a house that no one built for me. I'm drowning in the silence of a name I used to be. Static skin, static skin. Nobody's coming in. I counted all the exits, I never took the door. I told myself I'm fine now for the 100th time or more. I wear this like a jacket zipped up to my throat. Nobody sees the seams until the whole thing split and shows. I keep calling out, but my voice won't carry far. I keep reaching out into a room with no one there. I'm screaming in a language no one left can hear. I'm burning in a house that no one built for me. I'm drowning in the silence of a name I used to be. Static skin, static skin. Nobody's coming in. Static skin. Peel it back. Static skin. Nothing left. Static skin. Show me the wall. Static skin. I'm still here. I'm still here. Maybe I don't need the door. Maybe I just need the noise. Maybe screaming is the closest thing I have left to a voice. So I'll scream until the static breaks. I'll scream until it's real. I'll scream until somebody hears what I couldn't say I feel. I'm screaming in a language somebody's gotta hear. I'm burning down this house that no one built for me. I'm rising from the silence of a name I used to be. Static skin, static skin. Let somebody in.